Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch exercise and we'll apply the relations and dimensions and we'll make our sketch fully fine. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open for creating a new part. Just click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. For drawing a sketch we have three standards: plane, front plane, top plane, or the right plane, or we can create plane. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now just click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have open a sketch. First thing first, we have to draw a circle here, and here choose a circle, 2-point circle, and you can see as I get close to origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So I draw a circle and I draw an arc here. I choose a 3-point arc and I draw an arc here. And the center of the arc here and the circle must be merged. So for doing that, just hold the control button and choose the arc here and the circle here and give it a concentric relation. Now we have to draw a line so you can see the orange point. I draw a line and I want to draw a horizontal line. You can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal symbol, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. So I draw a vertical line here, and I have to now choose, I have to draw a arc. So I draw an arc. Be careful, the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And here again choose line and draw a line here and a vertical line and a vertical line. And here I draw an arc here again. So I draw an arc. So be careful, the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And here I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line here and a line here, and I connect this line to the arc here. So now we have to apply the relations. If you can see the relations, the green symbols here, come in, hide and show items, and can turn on or turn off the relations or the dimensions. Now choose this line and here in add relation, give it vertical relation. Now choose a smart dimension. The point here and the origin point and the point here must be horizontal. So hold the control button and choose these 3 points and give it a horizontal relation. Now choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 16 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 10 millimeter. And the line here, hold the control button and choose this line and this line and this one and this one, and in add relation give all these 4 lines equal relation. Now they have all the same dimension, the dimension of 10 millimeter. Choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this line to the line here is 20 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the origin point is 72.5 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the origin point is 47.5 millimeter. And what dimension do we have? Now the dimension of this arc is 20 millimeter, and the dimension of this arc is 10 millimeter. And this arc must be tangent to the line here. So hold the control button and choose this arc and the line here and give it tangent relation. So please remove this arc, choose this arc and press the delete button on your keyboard. Yes, we have to at first give the dimension from this line to the line here. The dimension is 12.5 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to the line here is 40 millimeter. Now again draw an arc here. So I connect this line to the line here by an arc. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. Hold the control button and again choose this arc and the line here and give it tangent relation. Now it is tangent and choose the smart dimension. The radius of the arc is 10 millimeter. And the center of this arc must be vertical to this point. So hold the control button and choose this point and the point here and give it vertical relation. And the center of this arc is horizontal to the point here and give it horizontal relation. Now all we have to do is just give a dimension from this point to the point here is 8 millimeter. You can see all the lines are black and our sketch is fully defined. Please do it yourself and draw this sketch again in SolidWorks and do practicing at home. Please watch my other videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.